unbelievable that such a complex structure doesn't even have a nail. It's amazing. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm traveling around China by car and currently located in Sanjiang Xian, Guangxi province. And when I was driving by here, I saw many of these kind of building. Look like this. I plan to go into and take a look. Sanjiang County is located in the north of Guangxi province at the junction of Guangxi, Hunan, and Guizhou province, surrounded by mountains and forests. The terrain is complex. The land here is fertile, and the climate is pleasant. There is a saying that there are 80% mountains, 10% water, and 10 area land here. Because during Qing Dynasty in China, there are 3 rivers, Xunjiang, Pingjiang, and Rongjiang, which converged here. It was named Sanjiang County. Is this building that attracts me? Stop the car. This building is made of mortars and internal structure. Look, without using a single nail, but it's stronger than a single nail. Wow, this is a temple, Fulu Si. Let's go in and take a look. Look, the complex structure. It's amazing. The incense someone left here, still burning. There is a small road leading up to the mountain. What a beautiful road. It must be very cool. I should access the mall. After climbing the mountain for so long, I'm already out of breath. There is also a temple above. Although I have no religious beliefs, but I'm interested in the China's old building, and I like this frequency test. This is a temple next to the Dong ethnic village, and let's go take a look at the Dong village. Dong village is famous for Gulou and Fengyi Qiao, and there's also a Douniu Chang nearby. Let's go. 中国越野洞寨，越野 means people come here to play together. And look at this circular building. It is called Bird's Nest. It looks like Tulou in Fujian province, and there are also circular wooden mortars and turners structures. And there are 2 bulls here. October 1 to 3. And there are bull flight competition here. Dong ethnic group is one of the ethnic minorities in China with a long history and rich culture, mainly distributed in Guizhou, Hunan and Guangxi province, with unique architecture, music, dance, and cultural custom. The most attractive thing to me is their architecture. Dong ethnic wooden architecture is one of the national non-material cultural heritage. It uses wood as a main building material. The mortise and tunnel structure is its main loading bearing system, cleverly utilizing the principles of mechanics. The internal structure and appearance of building are perfectly unified, having distinct ethnic features. This is wrong building, just saw outside. Unlike the Earth building in Fujian province, this building is not a folk house. It is for night performance. Look, this is Dong Drum Tower. This is a relatively small one. And look at inside. It's unbelievable that such a complex structure doesn't even have a nail. It's amazing. Oh, look at this shelf. At autumn, the rice harvest, local people hung the grains on this shelf to dry it, so the grain is convenient to storage. Look at this. This is for grain. Sanjiangxian is a county in Liuzhou City, and Liuzhou City is famous for 螺蛳粉. I search online. There's a delicious 螺蛳粉 nearby. It's about 500 meters away. Here we go. Look, such a large area people is playing this kind of card.
你打麻将的？
不会打。
不会打。
不会打，让这个蛋死掉。谢谢。哇，都在玩这种牌。西瓜一块一块的卖吗？1块钱一块，那我要一块。And I've got a melon for 1元。很冰，很甜。老板娘把这个扔在哪里啊？好，谢谢啊。Okay, continue walking toward the restaurant. That's an interesting place. Oh, I'm almost there. 100 meters. It must be here. 西环肥仔螺蛳粉。 老板，我要一份螺蛳粉。在这吃。啊？稍微硬一点，要稍微硬一点的。我从网上找到你们家的。
是吗？
嗯，刚才看到那边有很多人在打牌。哇 ，so much ingredient。酸豆角、酸笋，腌菜、花生。
什么都要对吧？
什么都要。好，谢谢啊。可以加什么东西吗？
这东西可以加呀，炸蛋、煎蛋。
我要一个煎蛋吧。好。
辣椒呢？
辣椒要一点。
微辣。
微辣。好香啊！多少钱啊？12.5。12块5。
看这里吧，选什么呀？在这。手感要软一点，硬一点。
好大一份啊！
脆皮猪脚还是卤猪脚？
嘿。
饮料怎么样吗
？I'm sorry about my limited vocabulary. I have to introduce the 螺蛳粉 by Chinese. 哇，这个料还是很足的。青菜、花生、酸笋、炸蛋、腐竹。这个汤也很好喝。还有一点这种小菜。米粉很有弹性。这个很好吃，这个还带洋葱，还有小黄瓜，不错。
用配菜的要吗？
不要花生，不要那个。
不要花生，腐竹，其他的要是吧？
这个汤也很好喝，尝一下。有点酸，有点辣，然后主要是有那种很浓的，熬的螺丝的味道，应该是。它是用那种很小很小颗的螺丝熬的，然后有一种特殊的味道，不知道怎么形容。螺蛳粉在中国非常非常的受欢迎，是最近几年。看，他们家还有这种可以外带的这种礼盒包装，就是你可以带走。你觉得好喝的话，你可以带走，但是从网上也都可以买到。 我特意选择的这个，就是现在是2点多，不是吃饭的时间，不是饭点儿，然后我特意选择这个时间，不然的话人太多太乱了。如果是下午6点到8点的话，人太多了。好辣呀！但是很好吃，很辣，很好吃。辣椒就是这么神奇。Oh, I have finished everything, including this one. I'm so full. Just enough to walk back and digest. Okay, this is the end of today's video. If you're interested in my video, don't forget to give me a thumb up. Bye bye.